In this video, I'm going to look at Euro USD and USD weekly bias. Okay, what has happened in the week and what we should be preparing for in the next trading week. So from here, we can actually apply what you learn in this very video on your trading strategy next week. And as you know, Fed kept interest rate unchanged this week, which means it will impact on the market next week greatly. So all of these and more in this very video. So watch this video to the very end. If you are new to this channel, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading strategy to make you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. Also check the channel for other Forex videos, educational content and technical analysis. Right here on the Euro USD chart, we've seen that this market have been coming back to the downside, and obviously, as you can see right here, from this very point, market come back down, and then we have retracement, and then the whole of this move is an impulsive move, which means market have to retrace and then continuation to the downside. So this is what we are seeing right now on the chart. Now, Fed left interest rates unchanged this very week. That means it's going to affect the way the market is going to move as we resume next week of trading. Now, if you understand market structure shift, which I've been talking about on this very channel right here, you discover that this market is still in a downtrend until we see the market go above this very level of resistance. That is only when we can say we have a market structure shift. That means we can begin to look for a severe riding of the upward trend. For now, market is still going to move right down because this is just a retracement. Okay, so what we're seeing right here is a retracement of this very impulsive move to the downside, just like we see retracement of this other impulsive move right here. So you have to understand that first. So once we are done with this, as you can see, market is moving upward on the 1-day chart, but on the 4-hour chart, we can actually take a buy position to the upside because we cannot wait for this long for the market to move upward and then come back down. We have to take advantage of the movement right here on the lower time frame, which allow us to take a buy position while we're still looking at the market coming back down on the 1-day chart, because this is very important. And this is one of the important thing about technical analysis when it comes to multiple time frame analysis. So if I go back to the 4-hour chart right here, there's something very important on this chart. You discover that on this chart, market is moving upward. That is, we are having an upward trend. Okay, so market move up, come back down, we have this move, come back down, and then the next move upward. And right now I am expecting that market should come back down. But before I talk about that, if you look at the way market has been moving, you discover that market has been moving in a downtrend. So market has been coming down, retrace down, and you can consider the whole of this very move as an impulsive move, retracement, impulse, retrace, impulse, we have retracement, and then impulsive move. Now on the overall, you can consider this entire move as one impulse, then retracement, and then this entire move as one impulse, then retracement, and this entire move as one impulse, then we have retracement right here. What this also means is that until we see a break of structure at this very level of resistance right here, we are not going to say that the market have changed direction. That means we're not going to say that the market is in an uptrend. Market is still in a downtrend right now. So from this very point of resistance at this very area, this is a very important resistance on the chart which the market has not approached yet. And right now we've seen the market begin to create series of higher highs from this very area. What this means is we can take a buy position into this very point and then look for short position coming back down into this very area of resistance. So what I mean is from this very area, see where the market is right now at 1.0758. I am expecting that as we resume the market on Monday, we should see this continuation of this sell-off. So market should sell off from this very area where it is right now to the downside into this level, and then we're going to see a buy momentum into this very area. Now, this very area, we can actually sell the market from here to the downside. The reason is because if you look at the 1-day chart, market is still in a downtrend right here. So at that time, market is going to come into this area, and this very area on the 1-day chart is a supply zone. So a supply zone means that there is a high capacity of the market moving to the downside from this very area. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, once the market come back down and you look for a buy opportunity into this very level, then from this area, which is your take profit target, we are going to look for a short or sell opportunity downward in line with what we are seeing on the 1-day chart. So this is what I am expecting the market to do in the next week of trading. Expect the market to sell off as we resume the market on Monday, and then from here, market is going to move into this very area for a possible buy opportunity from this very zone, and then from here, market is going to sell off again to the downside in line with what we are seeing on the 1-day chart Euro USD. For USD JPY, if you look at there, you discover that the market is moving upward, just like we are beginning to see the market coming back down from this level of resistance right here. Market is coming back down with rejection from this very point. Market is still in an uptrend for this very pair, USD JPY 1-day chart. So expect this market to move upward. So until we see the market break this very level of support right here, then there is no market structure shift yet. Okay, so for us to say that market is going to come back to the downside on the 1-day chart USD JPY, we need to see the market come back down from this very point to the downside and create a new low, lower than the previous low at this very point, right at this area. So once we see this, then it means that the market is going to have a market structure shift. Once we see the market begin to go upward and fail to create a new high, and then it's going to come back down again, and we're going to see a progressive downward movement on the 1-day chart USD JPY. But right now, the market is still in a very clear uptrend. What this means is that market have high capacity of moving to the upside. Okay, so pay attention to this. We are still in an uptrend on the 1-day chart, and if you look at the 4-hour chart right here, we've seen the market right here come back down now below this very area, because if you look at this very chart, this very point of support right here is an important reference point on the chart right at this very point. This was the lowest low before the market made this very long progressive move to the upside, and if you look at it, market has come back down below that very low. So it means that the market is going to come back down on the 4-hour chart USD JPY. Look at it here. So from this very point, market moved down, we have retracement, market failed to create a new high, market come back all the way down here, and then right now market is below this very previous low before we see this very long impulsive move to the upside. So it means that the market has created a market structure shift on the 4-hour chart USD JPY, but we've not seen a market structure shift on the USD JPY 1-day chart. Very importantly, if you look at the 4-hour chart as well, from this very point, since there is a market structure shift right here, I am going to pay attention to market coming back to the downside. So what I am expecting as we resume the market on Monday is for the market to retrace, that is, market should move upward to this very area of resistance right here, and then market is going to come back down again. Remember, the market is still going to come back down on the 1-day chart right here. Market is going to come back into this very point, and we need to see the market go below this very structure right here for us to say there is a market structure shift. Okay, so for the 1-day chart, for the 4-hour chart, expect the market to retrace as we resume the market on Monday, and then taking a sell position from this very point right here to the downside will be a nice idea. Look for sell opportunity as we resume the market on Monday by next week of trading. Okay, so wait for the market to retrace first of all before you take any sell position to the downside. And you must apply this in your strategy to know when retracement have ended before the next impulse is going to come into the market. So as we resume the market on Monday, what I am expecting on this chart is, first of all, a clear retracement of this long impulsive move to the upside, and then a sell position will be a nice thing to do for the market to come back down into this very level, so that we can have a impulse retracement, and then impulsive move to the downside. Summarily, on Euro USD 4-hour chart, look for buy position, and for USD JPY 4-hour chart, look for sell opportunity after retracement on the both pairs. This is very important. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex videos, educational content, and technical analysis. Thanks for watching today's video.